This is the first demonstration of prototype number 8 of the Zells project. For this prototype I want to record more demos than last time, which means the increment of each demo will be a lot smaller, hopefully. So because this is the first demo, it really only shows the very basic principles and mechanics of the prototype and won't do really much. So to get started, we create the basic unit of the model, which is a cell. The whole project uses the metaphor of biological cells. So this is its own little process, and it can receive signal that are transmitted in its environment. So to show that we need environment, so let's create a dish. A dish is something that you can put a cell into. So we can pick this up and drop it on the dish, which makes it transmit itself as a signal through the dish. And we can use that for communication. So if we create a second cell, put it over here, they can send each other signals by dropping them on the dish. And in order to see what a cell receives, we can look into it with a scope. So we can use this receiver scope and point it at this cell, and now if we drop this again on the dish, we can see this has received an empty cell. And they have different colors because the cell receives a copy of the transmitted cell and not the cell itself. So we can also point a scope at this cell and see how they receive each other. Now, sending empty cells around is maybe a bit boring, so to make it more interesting, we can also send a text cell. This one is just something that contains a text value, so we can drop it here, and then both other cells on the dish receive this text, which is just T. In order to change it, we can use this special scope and point it at the text cell, which lets us change its value. So we can write, for example, hello, then point the scope away and drop this cell again on the dish and see how both receive hello. And we can also change its value again, maybe write world and drop it again. And this is basically the hello world use case for this prototype. So as I said, this is only a very basic demonstration, and I hope to do many more of these. But if you would like to get in touch or learn more about the project, please visit zells.org, where you can find all the material that currently exists. But so far, thank you very much for watching.